Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to keep you cool and comfortable, whether you're working at your desk or relaxing at home. We found the Honeywell TurboForce Air Circulator, a small yet powerful tabletop fan, and we've added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Honeywell TurboForce HT900? This is a compact fan designed to provide efficient airflow in small to medium-sized rooms. With its sleek design, it can easily fit on your desk or tabletop, but it's versatile enough to be wall-mounted if you prefer. It's called a TurboForce fan for a reason. This little powerhouse is designed to maximize air movement, ensuring you feel the cooling effect from up to 25 feet away. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this fan. First off, it's 25% quieter than comparable fans, making it an excellent choice for those who are sensitive to noise. You can enjoy a cool breeze without the distracting hum that often comes with traditional fans. There are 3 adjustable speed settings, allowing you to customize the airflow to your liking. Whether you want a gentle breeze while you work or a powerful gust to cool you down on a hot day, this fan has you covered. Another major highlight is the 90-degree pivoting head. This feature allows you to direct the airflow exactly where you need it, making it perfect for various settings. If you're sitting at your desk, simply tilt the fan to hit you directly. If you're in the living room, you can pivot it to circulate air throughout the space. This adaptability is one of the reasons why the Honeywell HT900 is one of the top-selling tabletop fans on the market. So, who is this product suitable for? If you work from home or spend long hours at a desk, this fan is a fantastic addition to your workspace. It's also ideal for small bedrooms or offices where you want to stay cool without the noise typically associated with larger fans. Families can benefit from its quiet operation, ensuring that it won't disturb nap times or late-night reading sessions. Let's explore some practical use cases for the Honeywell TurboForce fan. Picture this: it's a scorching summer afternoon, and you're trying to focus on a project for work. The HT900 can be placed on your desk, providing a refreshing breeze that helps you stay alert and productive. Alternatively, you might be winding down for the evening, wanting a little airflow without the noise of an air conditioner. This fan can quietly enhance your comfort, making it easier to unwind. Moreover, using this fan can even lead to smart energy savings. By improving airflow and circulation in your space, you can reduce your reliance on air conditioning, which is not only good for your energy bill but also better for the environment. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain a comfortable climate in your home or office without breaking the bank. In summary, the Honeywell TurboForce HT900 is a versatile, efficient, and quiet fan that excels in providing personalized cooling. Its compact design, powerful airflow, and adjustable settings make it suitable for anyone who wants to enhance their comfort in small spaces. Whether you're working, relaxing, or sleeping, this fan can help you beat the heat without the noise. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.